Hi! In front of me is NOKIA T10, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this tablet. You need to begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Following that, type in DevCheck, like that, and download free app from Flare to developer, code DevCheck device and system info. When it's ready, open it. Now, thanks to it, you can learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!